Give me just a moment. Okay, so we are in the last class, we have seen the first avarana. So the first avarana, there is a technical name for the first avarana. I will tell you the technical name later. It is going to come in the shloka itself. So in the first avarana, what did we saw? We saw the first set of devatas. What are the first set of devatas? The Siddhi devatas. Anima, Lagima, Mahima, Ishitvam, Vashitvam, Prakamyam, Bhukti Siddhi, Icha Siddhi, Prapti Siddhi, Sarvakama Siddhi. In the Devataihala Pathom nama last class la, I even hinted at the Dikshitar's Navavarana Kriti, Kamalamba Navavarana Kriti, the Pati Sullirkar. And I said that we will see more of the chakra is not finished because it has got the, it is called as a chakra, it is also called as an avarana. So the avarana is not yet complete because we only saw the one layer, the outer layer of the avarana. Now we have to see the middle layer of the avarana. And the middle layer apatita in shloka number 127 the middle layer of the avarana pati solra. Animadi siddhi phalakasyopari harinanga khandakrita chudaha bhadram pakshmalayantu brahmi pramukascha matarosmakam. Brahmi pramukascha abdingra. So in the middle layer Brahmi abdingra devata irkala. There is a devata called as Brahmi. He only says the first name of the first devata because this is something which is fairly known in Sri Vidya Upasana, so he does not elaborate. But since many of us are very new to the Upasana, I just want to tell you all the names of the devatas. So Brahmi is one of the devata. Maheshwari is present here. Kaumari is present here. Vaishnavi is present here. Varahi is present here. Chamunda, Mahendri is present here. Chamunda is present here. Mahalakshmi is present here. Who are these devatas? From Brahmi to Mahendri. From Brahmi, that is Brahmi, Maheshwari, Kaumari, Vaishnavi, Varahi, and Mahendri. These 6 devatas are the Shakti of Devas. Brahma's Shakti is Brahmi. You know what is meant by Brahma's Shakti? Brahma has got power to create everything, right? Brahma does not have this power on his own, but it is this Devi called as Brahmi who gives Brahma the power. Who is the Shakti of that Brahma? The detailed explanations of these Devis come in Devi Mahatmyam. Yasya devasya yadrupam tata devasya vahanam says. இந்த சும்பனு சும்பாள் வதத்தும் போது பிரம்மனினுடைய சக்தியாக பிராமி வரா. Brahmaக்கு 4 முகம்னா, if Brahma has got 4 faces, Brahmi has got 4 faces. If Brahma has got Kamandalu on his hand, Brahmi also has got Kamandalu on her hand. If Brahma is Hamsavahana, Brahmi will also be a Hamsavahana. So exactly the same Vahana, same Swarupam, same function. It is only be a female, a Strilinga Swarupa. And this is the actual Shakti which drives Brahma. So that is Brahmi. Maheshwari. Maheshwara's Shakti is Maheshwari. Maheshwari will also have 3 eyes. 3 eyes will be there. She will be having Shulayuda on her hand. She will also be a Vrishabha Vahini. Maheshwari. Kaumari. Kumaranuடைய Shakti is Kaumari. Kumara, Muruha, Skanda. Skanda Sashti நடக்க போறது. போன வெள்ளிக்கிழமை அந்த வில்டன் கோவில் முருகனுக்கு கௌமாரி அலங்காரம் தான் பண்ணியிருந்தோம். ஸோ கௌமாரினா அந்த ஸ்கந்தனினுடைய சக்தி, முருகனினுடைய சக்தி, குமரா's சக்தி இஸ் கௌமாரி. Just like Kumara, she will also be having peacock as her vahana. She will also having Shaktiyayudha on her hand. So Kaumari. Vaishnavi, we all know Vishnu's Shakti is Vaishnavi. She will be having Shankar, Chakra, Gada on her hands, and she will be coming in Garuda Vahana. And Varahi, Varaharinuடைய சக்தி இஸ் வாராகி. வராக சுவாமி, 2 கோர பல்லு இருக்கும், தம்ஷ்ட்ராக்ஷுன்ன வசுந்தரா. There is going to be 2 teeth for Varahi. She will also be having the face like that of Varaha. So Varahi. And Mahendri, Indra's Shakti. Indiras, Indra, you know, the Devarhalin Talaivan, the king of all Devas. So that Shakti, his Shakti is called as Mahendri. And she will be coming in the Vahana of Indra, right? So Airavada Gajaruda, Airavada Vahana. She will be coming in Airavada Vahana, and she will be having Vajrayudha in her hand. So Vajrahasta அப்படிங்கிறோம் இல்லையா, இந்திரனுக்கு வஜ்ரம்ங்கிற ஆயுதம் இருக்கு. So this Mahendri also has got Vajrayudha on her hand. So these 6 devatas are from the Ashtamatrikas that are described in Devi Mahatmyam. Apart from that, Chamunda Devi is there. Chamunda Devi is nothing but Kali Devi. Kali. Even her episode is being described in Devi Mahatmyam. Kali Devi, she helped to kill Chanda and Munda. That is why she is called as Chamunda. Abdina Chamunda. Abdina Ambaluk per solra. And then next is Mahalakshmi. So the wife of Mahavishnu, Mahalakshmi, she is also there in the second layer of the first avarana, the middle layer of the first avarana. Now going back to the third layer of the first avarana. We are still in the first avarana. All these 3 layers together constitute the first avarana. Now we have to go see the third layer, the innermost layer of the first avarana. Tasyopari mani phalake tarunyotunga pina kucha bharaha samkshobhini pradhanaha bhrantim vidravayantu dashamudraha. So these 10 devatas are very, very interesting. These Sarvayoni, Sarvatrikanda, sorry. Yeah, these 9 devatas, sorry, these 10 devatas, I have got the numbering wrong. So there should be 10 devatas. Sarvasamkshobhini, Sarvavidravini, Sarvakarshini, Sarvavashankari, Sarvonmadini, Sarvamahangucha, Sarvakechari, Sarvayoni, Sarvatrikanda, Trailokya Mohana Chakraswami. Yeah. So there should be 10 devatas, 10 mudra shaktis will be there. I'm missing one of the names here. We will see the name in the next class, but there has to be 10 devatas. So first is Sarvasamkshobhini, Sarvavidravini, Sarvakarshini, Sarva, I think I'm missing the third one here. So all these devatas, you know, we have numbers here, right? So these numbers should correspond to these devatas. And these devatas are called as Mudra Shakti. Dashamudra Samaradhya Tripura Shri Vashankari, says Lalita Sahasranama, right? So Dasha Mudras, these devatas, they rule over the mudras. Of those, the last 2 mudras are very, very interesting and very, very important. You might have seen the last two mudras in various Devi Puja. Sarva Yoni, Sarva Trikhanda. Yoni Mudra, Abdimba. Yoni Mudra, whatever puja that we do, showing this Yoni Mudra is supposed to be very, very auspicious for Ambal. And the last Mudra, Sarva Trikhanda, is used for doing Avahanam of Ambal onto Sri Chakra. So this is how the Yoni Mudra looks. This is how the Yoni Mudra looks. This normally not a lot of people would have seen, because it is only very secretive of Sri Vidyopasana. But Sarva Trikhanda Mudra அப்படிங்கிறது இப்படி இருக்கும். This has got 3 parts, right? 3 khanda. And when we observe very closely, when Periyava does puja to Tripura Sundari, we all are seeing all the, Vellikazhama puja kellam povom illaya. Ange Periyava puja pandrache paathomna, Periyava will actually do this mudra. He will take 3 flowers. Inge oru flower, inge oru flower, inge oru flower vechirupar. சுவாமிய அம்பால அந்த ஸ்ரீ சக்கரத்துல ஆவாகனம் பண்றதுக்கு இந்த முத்திரையை வச்சுட்டு தான் ஆவாகனம் பண்ணுவா பெரியவா. So this mudra, the Sarva Trikhanda mudra, is very it is used for doing avahanam of Ambal in Sri Vidyopasana. So Yoni mudra, Sarva Trikhanda, Sarva Bija is what I'm missing here. Sarva Bija. So Sarva Yoni, Sarva Trikhanda. So Trailokya Mohana Chakraswamini அப்படிங்கிறோம். So Yoni Mudram Trikhandeshi அப்படின்னு லலிதா சஹஸ்ரநாமத்திலே வரும். யோனி முத்ரா திரிகண்டேஷி திரிபுராம்பா திரிகோணகா அனகா அத்புத சாரித்ரா வாஞ்சிதார்த்த பிரதாயினி அப்படின்னு லலிதா சஹஸ்ரநாமத்துல வருது இல்லையா. So தசமுத்ரா சமாராத்யா also comes, யோனி முத்ரா also comes, திரிகண்டா யோனி முத்ரா திரிகண்டேஷி அப்படின்னு வரும் லலிதா சஹஸ்ரநாமத்துல. All these refers to these 10 mudra shaktis which are present in the first avarana of Sri Chakra. Next shloka gives out the name of the first avarana. What is the name of the first avarana? Phalakatraya swarupe pruthule trailokya mohane chakre divyantu prakatakyaha tasam kartri cha bhagavati tripura. So this chakra is called as Trailokya Chakra, Trailokya Mohana Chakra. அப்படிங்கிறதுதான் தீவ்யந்து Trailokya Mohane Chakre அப்படின்னு வருது இல்லையா. So this chakra is called as Trailokya Mohana Chakra, and in each chakra there will be a yogini who preside over that chakra. So this chakra, the yogini is called as Prakata Yogini. So the chakra's name is Trailokya Mohana Chakra, and the yogini's name is called as Prakata Yogini. That is what here in the Navavarana Kriti, this is the first Avarana, this is the Kriti for the first Avarana, Kamalambika Samrakshatu அப்படின் வரும். Kamalambikam Samrakshatu, Kamalambika Samrakshatu, Kamalamba Samrakshatuமா அப்படின் வருது. So இதுல Animadi Siddheshwari, the chakra starts with Anima Siddhi, right? So if we see here, the chakra O1, this is the first Devata. The chakra starts with Animadi Siddhi. So that is why it says Animadi Siddhishwari. And the chakra's name is called as Trailokya Mohana Chakra. Why? If we see, all these Devatas will attract. Mohanamna attract. They either give a lot of power, Anima Siddhi, Lagima Siddhi, Ashtama Siddhi, they all comes here, right? So all these Devatas, they will attract people onto them. That is why this chakra is called as Trailokya Mohana Chakra, and the yogini for this chakra is Prakata Yogini, as said in the Navavarana Kriti, also as said in the shloka number 129. So 130, it gives the second avarana. What is the second avarana devata? Tadupari vimale dhishnye tarala drishas taruna kokanata bhasaha kamakarinshinyadyaha kalaye devi kaladara shikhanda. So this is going to be the second avarana. So all these 3 lines together from number 1 to number 28. So there are going to be 28 Devatas in the first Avarana. The second Avarana is this 16 petaled lotus. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The red numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So these 16 petaled lotus is the second Avarana. And what are the Devis that are present in these 16 petals? Kama Karshinyadhyaha. Kama Karshini, Buddhya Karshini, Ahankara Karshini, Shabda Karshini, Sparsha Karshini, Rupa Karshini, Rasa Karshini, Gandha Karshini, Chitta Karshini, Dhairya Karshini, Smritya Karshini, Nama Karshini, Bija Karshini, Atma Karshini, Amruta Karshini, Sharira Karshini. Akarshini na to attract. Akarshanam pandra the Shaktiya. What is she attracting? Kama Akarshini, all of our desires. Buddhi is our intellect. Ahankara is ego. Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, Rasa, Gandha. All these are our 5 sense organs. Shabda means sound. Sparsha, touch. Rupa, forms. Rasa, smell. Rasa means taste. Gandha means smell. And then Chittam, Dhairyam, Smriti. Smriti means memory power. Smriti, Nama, Bija, Atma, Amrita, and finally Sharira. So this is the Ambal who does Akarshanam of these 16 tattvas. So, and these Ambals are present in the second Avarana. And this Avarana is called as Shodasha Dala Avarana. There is a technical name, but normally this Avarana will be referred to as Shodasha Dala. Shodasha means 16. Shodashopacharam. 16 upacharams is called as Shodashopacharam. So this Dala, this Avarana is called as Shodasha Dala Avarana. And what is the technical name for this Avarana and what is the Devi? It is said in the next shloka. Sarva Asha Paripuraka Chakresmin. Sarva Asha Paripuraka Chakresmin. So this chakra is called as Sarvasha Paripuraka Chakra. Sarva Asha Paripuraka. It fulfills all of our desires. That is why this chakra is called as Sarva Asha Paripuraka Chakra. Chakresmin Gupta Yogini Devya. So this Devi, the Yogini for this chakra is called as Gupta Yogini. Gupta means Rahasyam Nartha. So Gupta Yogini is the name for this Devya. This is the name for this Devi. And this is also told in the Navavarana Kriti. This is the Navavarana Kriti for the second Avarana. Kamalambam Bajare Re Manasa Kalpita Maya Karyam Tyajare. So even these Navavarana Kritis are very, very beautiful. You know, if we see the meaning, entire meaning for the entire Kritis, it takes our understanding to another level. But we are not going to see the whole meaning. I will just point out where the chakra, where the names of the Devi is present, where is the Yogini is present, and what is the name of the chakra. So in Charanam it comes Sarvasha Paripuraka Chakra Swamini. I told you the name of this chakra is called as Sarva Asha Paripuraka Chakra. And what is the name of the Yogini? Durvasa Archita Gupta Yogini. Durvasa Archita Gupta Yogini. Gupta Yogini is the name of the Yogini for this chakra. And what are the Devis that are present in this chakra? Kama Karshinyadi Ranjani. Ambal is Ranjani. Ambal is so happy about all the Devis. That is the Kama Karshini Adi Devis. Kama Karshinyadi Ranjani is said in the Kamalamba Navavarana Kritis for the second Avarana, Shodashadala Avarana, or Sarvasha Paripuraka Chakra. Sarvasa Paripuraka Chakra. Now finally for today's class, in shloka number 132, the third Avarana is being described. What is the third Avarana? We have 8-petaled lotus, right? The numbering scheme will change according to the your Sri Vidya school. So each, people who do Navavarana Puja, they will find some small differences in the numbering scheme because it is very, very unique to the Guru Parampara. So here, this 8-petaled lotus is the third Avarana. So the first Devi is going to be present here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these are the eight Devis who are present in this 8-petaled lotus. Let us see the shloka first. Tasyopari manipide tamramborha dalaprabha shonaha dhyayami ananga kusuma pramukha devischa vidruta kurpasaha. Ananga kusuma pramukha devischa. So these Devis are 8 in number, that who are present in the 3rd avarana. Ananga Kusuma, Ananga Mekhala, Ananga Mathana. So Ananga Kusuma is here. Ananga Mekhala, Ananga Madana, Ananga Madanatura, and then Ananga Rekha, Ananga Vegini, Anankankusha, Ananga Malini. These are the 8 Devis that are present in this avarana. This avarana is called as Ashtadala. So previously we saw the 2nd avarana to be the Shodashadala avarana because it had got 16 petals. Dalam na petals. Shodasha 16. Since it has got 16 petals, that chakra is called as Shodashadala avarana. This avarana is called as Ashtadala avarana because it has got what? 8 petals are there. So these are called as Ashtadala avarana. What is the technical name for this avarana? Who is the yogini for this avarana? And in where all these details are mentioned in the Navavarana Kritis, all these details we will see in the next class. Harihi Om. Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Thanks a lot.